My name is Chen Fan. I work in Teknor Apex Asia Pacific as laboratory technologist. Today I will show you my favorite function of the testXpert tree. I'm working with 3-row machine since 2 years, and recently we changed to testXpert tree. The software of the testXpert tree is very easy to operate, and I start to use it immediately, and not much training is needed. What I like about the testXpert tree is the functions are very easy accessible. For example, let me show you the export function of the testXpert tree. In the past, I have to make multiple clicks in order to export the test result to Excel. Now, with the testXpert tree, I just click one time. This is very efficient and save me a lot of times.